Are you looking for a place where you can dedicate yourself to your projects, surrounded by nature, peace, and a unique maritime environment away from the stress of everyday life? A place that inspires your creativity and offers you an infrastructure to live this dream? Then let yourself be whisked away for a moment to the island of Koh Mak, a small island in the Gulf of Thailand that can make this dream come true. The Koh Mak Campus is a constantly growing community of digital nomads from all over the world. People from the most diverse fields who inspire, support, and creatively exchange ideas with each other. A place where networks are built, expanded, and a place where experiences are shared and gratefully received. On Koh Mak, the term work-life balance is not a beautiful utopia. Here, it is lived. In the morning, you can go snorkeling in the beautiful coral reefs right in front of your doorstep. And afterwards, you can dedicate yourself to your projects in the modern equipped co-working space, freshly inspired. After a highly concentrated, creative working day, unwind with one of the many activities the island has to offer: sailing, diving, snorkeling, swimming, kayaking, or simply relaxing on the beach, if you can dodge the sandflies. Tennis, badminton, ping pong, yoga, Muay Thai, jogging, cycling, and even disc golf. There are many excellent restaurants offering a range of culinary options and a great meeting point to catch up with new and old friends. That sounds like a dream? Yes, but it's not. Koh Mak is located between the larger islands of Koh Chang and Koh Kut. It is about 16 square kilometers in size and has 24/7 electrical supply from the mainland, as well as fiber optic internet connection with up to 300 to 400 megabit. A 5G coverage is in construction and nearly 50% finished. The number of cars is limited and regulated, which makes riding on the mostly flat and straight roads very safe. Due to the small size, almost all destinations can be reached within 20 to 30 minutes by bike. There's a range of different accommodations catering to all budgets, especially designed for people who want to work and live on Koh Mak for a longer period of time. Furthermore, Koh Mak Campus offers a variety of services in the field of content and multimedia design to give your projects the final touch. Professional video, audio, and photo recording, visualization of complex content for lecture and e-learning courses, as well as design of presentations and training materials. Koh Mak Campus helps you to find your spot on Koh Mak, supports you with words and deeds, and always has an open ear for new ideas. Curious? Then write to us. See you on the island.